over the scooter. Your turn. Now flick it with your foot. Not bouncing it. Copy Daddy. Okay? Your turn. Mm-hmm.
The ball is over. My ball is here.
If you don't flick it, it won't go over. That's it. Brilliant. Well done. Daddy's turn. You can try it. You can try it. It's going to be heavier. But I think you can do it. Good. Yes, you can. No such word as can't. Good. You gonna say bye? Good, Reese. Well done. That was brilliant.